2023 Logistics and Supply Chain Strategies. To successfully navigate a different-looking year for the freight market in 2023 requires both a steady hand and a willingness to freshen your approach. With that combination in mind, let's take a look at some of the best 2023 logistics and supply chain strategies to implement this year. Hold off on 12-month contracts. With spot rates down across the board to start the year, shippers would be wise to take advantage of this environment for some added savings in the early part of 2023. Then, as spring arrives, plan to lock down a 12-month rate before the busier produce season begins, as the freight market, and thus rates, are expected to return to a more normal pattern as the year goes along. Build long-term partnerships. A trusted relationship or two between shippers and providers is valuable no matter the freight environment. When rates are high and capacities at a premium, a trusted provider will often cut the shipper some slack. Likewise, when the market favors the shipper, they may stick with a trusted provider, even at a slightly higher cost due to familiarity, reliability, and service. With shippers doing rate shopping now, providers who make a strong service impression, complete with open communication, visibility, and of course, getting the job done well, are the ones who will land those long-term relationships when contract time comes. Manage with flexibility, agility, and for contingencies. These characteristics all suggest something similar, a readiness and willingness to adapt with supply chain planning work done ahead of time. That means when labor issues, natural disasters, new rules and regulations, super stressed supply chains, or something else comes up, you'll be able to adjust and pivot to a different route, mode, port, etc. Often those long-term partners can make that adjustment easier as well, provided there's consistent communication. Invest in technology. Logistics pros can be forgiven for simply being in triage mode during the 2-year pandemic-related shipping peak, but now there's no excuse not to get caught up on the latest technology to optimize business processes. It all starts with the right transportation management system, or TMS, solution, complete with integrations customized to your business needs. With this software now living in the cloud, companies of 1 or 1,000 can benefit from this technology, which is also key to data-driven decision-making. Better technology also enables automating tasks, reducing or eliminating paper, and even outsourcing logistics and supply chain operations to focus on what your business does best. Develop e-commerce and omni-channel supply chains. The previously mentioned technology investment can make an e-commerce and omni-channel strategy creation and implementation much easier. Rather than tacking this onto existing brick-and-mortar supply chain strategies, it's important to manage them separately. Why worry about e-commerce? Even in an inflationary, cautious consumer environment, shoppers spent a record $211.7 billion on e-commerce during the 2022 holiday season, up 3.5% from the year before. Looking for someone to help you implement your 2023 logistics and supply chain strategies? At Intech, we can ensure your freight operations are running smoothly whatever arises this year and beyond. Call 317-208-5565 or visit our website www.intechfreight-logistics.com and hit the Request a Quote button to learn more. Please do give us a thumbs up below and subscribe to this channel to get future videos first. Thanks very much for watching.